GE washer agitator removal is one of the most common DIY appliance maintenance tasks homeowners face today. Understanding your specific agitator type and proper preparation are crucial for successful removal without damage. As of 2025, GE washers feature three distinct agitator types, each requiring different removal approaches. Let's examine each type in detail. First, single-piece agitators, commonly found in older GE models manufactured before 2018. These are one solid unit with a spiral fin design for effective close agitation. Second, two-piece agitators are the current standard in most GE top-load washers. These feature a removable top section and a separate bottom base, making maintenance more accessible. Third, dual-action agitators found in newer high-efficiency models. These feature independent movement patterns for enhanced cleaning performance while being gentler on fabrics. Now that we understand the different agitator types, let's examine the essential tools required for safe and effective removal. First, you'll need an agitator removal tool or socket wrench set. Specialized agitator tools like these T-shaped hooks are designed specifically for this task and provide better grip and leverage. Alternatively, a comprehensive socket wrench set provides versatility for different fastener types. Look for sets that include various socket sizes and extension bars for hard-to-reach areas. Penetrating oil such as WD-40 is crucial for loosening stuck or corroded fasteners. Apply it generously and allow time for penetration before attempting removal. Additionally, you'll need a flashlight for visibility, safety gloves for protection, and towels for cleanup. These items ensure both safety and efficiency during the removal process. With the proper tools identified, safety preparation is the next critical step. Never attempt agitator removal without following these essential safety protocols. First and most importantly, unplug the washer from the electrical outlet. This eliminates any risk of electrical shock during the removal process. Never skip this critical safety step. Second, turn off the water supply valves. This prevents water from flowing during the removal process and protects against potential flooding if connections are disturbed. Third, ensure the washer tub is completely empty and dry. Remove any remaining water and allow the interior to air dry before beginning the removal process. Finally, let's examine the initial inspection steps that will help you identify the specific removal approach needed for your agitator type. Begin by removing the fabric softener dispenser if your washer has one. This component typically lifts straight out and provides access to the agitator's upper section and any hidden fasteners. Next, inspect the agitator carefully for visible bolts, caps, or fasteners. Use your flashlight to examine the center area and base thoroughly. Different models may have fasteners in various locations, so complete inspection is essential. With proper understanding of agitator types, essential tools gathered, safety protocols followed, and initial inspection completed, you're now prepared for the actual removal process. This thorough preparation ensures successful agitator removal while preventing damage to your washer. Two-piece agitators are the most common type found in modern GE washers. The removal process involves several distinct steps that must be followed in the correct sequence to avoid damage. Step 1. Remove the top portion of the agitator. This upper section is typically held in place by friction fit, meaning it simply lifts straight up without any tools required. Step 2. Locate the fastener underneath. Once the top portion is removed, you will find either a bolt or nut that secures the bottom portion of the agitator to the drive shaft. Step 3. Remove the fastener using the appropriate tool. This typically requires a socket wrench or specialized agitator removal tool. Turn counterclockwise in most cases, but some models may have reverse threads. Step 4. Lift out the bottom portion. With the fastener removed, the bottom portion of the agitator should lift straight out of the washer tub. Handle it carefully as it can be heavy. Single-piece agitators, commonly found in older GE washer models, require a different approach. These agitators are secured by a single central fastener and remove as one complete unit. The first step is to locate the center fastener. This is typically a bolt or nut positioned at the very center of the agitator. Some models may have a cap that needs to be removed first to access the fastener. If the fastener appears stuck or corroded, apply penetrating oil and allow it to sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This will help break down any mineral deposits or rust that may be preventing removal. Remove the fastener by turning it counterclockwise in most cases. However, be aware that some GE models use reverse-threaded fasteners, which require clockwise rotation for removal. Check your model documentation if unsure. Even with proper technique, agitator removal can present challenges. Understanding common issues and their solutions will help ensure successful removal without damage to your washer. Stuck agitators are the most common problem encountered during removal. This typically occurs due to mineral deposits from hard water, detergent buildup, or corrosion of the fastener threads. The solution involves extended treatment with penetrating oil, potentially overnight for severely stuck agitators. Gentle heat application using a hairdryer can also help expand the metal and break the bond. According to appliance repair specialists, several common mistakes account for the majority of failed agitator removal attempts. Understanding these mistakes can help ensure your success. The most common mistake is forcing removal without proper lubrication, accounting for 40% of failures. This can strip threads, break fasteners, or damage the agitator itself. Using incorrect tools accounts for 25% of failures. Socket wrenches that don't fit properly or makeshift tools can slip and cause damage. Always use the correct size and type of tool. Not identifying the agitator type correctly causes 20% of failures. Two-piece and single-piece agitators require different approaches, and attempting the wrong method can lead to damage or frustration. Remember that patience and proper preparation are the keys to successful agitator removal. Take your time, use the right tools, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you encounter significant resistance or complications.